In this video, we will show you how to register using an academic plan. From the myUSF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. You will then be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page, where you will want to select Plan and Register from the registration menu options. This will take you to the registration landing page, where you will be able to register using an academic plan. Select the Register for Classes option. On the next screen, you will see a field labeled Term Open for Registration. Select the term you are wanting to register for. Note: for summer-fall registration, you will see both terms listed, and you must register for both terms separately. Click the Continue button to move to the next page. Choose the Plans tab. This will take you to your already created plans, where you will be able to register for classes. On this screen, you will see your preferred plan as indicated on the right side of the screen, all other plans created, plus your degree audit. There are two ways to register from a plan. 1. Choose the Add All button on the top right of the plan. 2. Register for each course individually as you see them listed on the screen. If you choose Add All, then all courses will be added to the summary and schedule windows of the page. These are pending actions, and you are not finished with registration at this point. You can tell because the coloring of the schedule is gray and white lines, and your status on the summary says Pending. Your action also still says Web Registered. The next step to take is to select the Submit button in the far right corner of the page. This will then register you for the course, or give you additional information if there is an issue. If the course is able to be registered for, it will show up in the status column as Registered in green. It will also show on the schedule in a color with a check mark next to it, noting that it is checked and verified as enrolled. If there are problems with the registration, as you can see from the example, time conflicts, permits that are needed from departments, you can remove these items and choose other sections or courses. To select another section and alleviate a time conflict, go to the course in question under the panel at the top. Find the course and select View Sections. This will bring up all sections of the course and provide you with meeting times. You will see that the one with the time conflict is noted under Status, and the Add button is grayed out. This is the course that is already selected. Choose another section to add to the schedule from the listing. This will then add the course to the summary in a pending status. If there are courses that also need to be removed, at this time, you can choose Submit. The system will remove the courses that were preventing registration and show only those that you are registered in and provide you information on the schedule. You can then go back to the registration landing page and click on View Registration Information. This will show you the same information it showed on the Register for Classes window. It will also give you another tab called Active Registrations. When you select Active Registrations, it will show information about the course, the campus, the grade mode, and much more. You can even click the title of the course for additional class detail information. To see other information or watch additional videos with in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service, please check them out on the Office of the Registrar's website. Thank you for watching, and as always, go Bulls!